Hi, welcome to Selenium Tutorials. In my previous lesson, you have learned different driver methods. So how to use driver with examples and how to use different drivers and web tables. Okay, how to handle web table. Today we are going to learn how you can read data from properties. You want to read the data from properties file. Read data from properties file using Java application. Okay, Java Selenium. So what is a properties? What is a properties means object repository. What is the object repository? Is our object repository. What is this object repository? Object repository means which is storing number of objects of particular web application. Okay, in Qtp we are having a separate object repository. With the help of objects file we are going to saving those application elements in particular object repository. Okay, same like that in Selenium also. If you want to store all object of application, see, this is also one application. This is my testing tutorial. If you want to click on manual testing, just go to your inspect element with Firebug. You will say href a link. This is a link, a tag. So many links are there: manual testing, Qtp, Selenium, Code Runner, HPLMQ, sitemap. So in order to click these links, these hyperlinks, and these are the elements. We are having different elements. See? So all are elements. All are links. Okay, text box, radio button. All are elements. If you want to read that particular elements and objects which is having a objects like a text box, okay, which is having ID, name, so all those are elements. If you want to read from particular file, see, object properties file I have created. Okay, this will I will explain. So those will be saved in one particular object repository. We will call as object repository. So in this video you will learn how to read the data from object repository properties file using Java Selenium. Okay, I have copied all the XPaths from this inspect element with Firebug. I have copied all the XPaths. Let's go to and copy XPath. Okay, so okay, 1 2 3 4 5 4 I have copied. Just go to project, right click, new, go to this file, just enter var dot or anything you can enter, config dot properties. Okay, like this you have to enter and click on finish. It will create one file, empty file. Okay, and here I have created object for all my objects XPaths. Okay, all my I have created here. Okay, just you have to, this is a hash means just like a comment. Software testing, I have created object properties. Okay, if see here I'm using base URL which is my blog, software test tutorials.blogspot.in. okay, this is my one URL I am storing in base URL, and next one is I am storing different menus properties like manual testing. This is XPath. We don't require any double quotation. Okay, then Qtp tutorial XPath, Selenium tutorial XPath, sorry, load on a tutorial XPath. Okay, just save the file like this. You need to save each and every, okay, each and every elements XPaths and ID. If you're having IDs, names, everything you need to save. Once you're saving, you can save your text also, alert boxes text and validation message text. Okay, everything you can successful message, everything you can save here. Okay, remember, right click, new file, just go to file and enter var.properties or config.properties. Okay, any name you can give. See here it is given, it is created. Okay, like this you need to save your properties in a file. So I'm using var.properties. So coming to your script, how you can read those properties. Okay, in Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so which is using for reading objects. Okay, instead of giving directly XPath or ID or name, you are reading from the object repository. Okay, like just like an object repository or.properties. Okay, let's write our script. So I'm declaring WebDriver variable. Okay, just import WebDriver org.openqa.selenium. Okay, yes, I'm giving test. I'm using test-ng framework. Void open. Yes, import test-ng annotation. Okay, remember, while you're creating any method name in any class, first letter should be small. From first word, second letter can be capital or small. Most of the Java developers are using first letter is a small, which is a significance of method name browser. Okay, open browser. O is a small letters and B is a capital. Okay, now just use Firefox driver. Okay, this is initializing the driver. Okay, Firefox driver. Now what we need to do is we need to import, we need to read those properties from a file, right? That's why we need to use properties. Okay, using properties to create object. Okay, let's call properties C java.util, which is a package under of java.util, which is a property list can contain another property list as its default. This second property list is searched if the property key is not found in the origin property list. So we are using this one. Properties, just enter any object name, new properties. This one you need to just enter. Okay, I have created property. From this property object you will get a number of methods in order to load the object repository, which is saved in the war.properties file. Okay, let's call the file, which is a file war.properties file, using file input stream. Okay, let's call file input stream java evolve, this one. Okay, let's give any name. Get file equal to new file input stream java.io.file input stream. Yes, you need to provide name of those properties. This one you need to provide object.properties path, exact path. Just go to order, just click on properties. Here you will get a path. Just copy, right click and copy, just paste it here. Okay, so some error is showing, so let's clear this one. Add throws declaration. So why it is giving file not found exception means we are searching the file from this path, Selenium automation or.property. We are reading file from this path, means or.properties file. So that's why it is giving file not found exception. If file is not found, unfortunately it is deleted, it will throw a exception, that is file not found exception. Okay, next load the properties file. Load the properties file. Okay, just take this property object name property dot, we'll see load. If you click on load, LO, it will give you load input stream. Inputs, why we need to take input stream means in file input stream we have created an object file and reading the file, which is object order properties file under file input stream. Just you need to take that one. Here it will come, see, object file. Okay, again it will give you one exception, see, add throws declaration. Instead of add throws declaration, I will use surround with try catch block. What it will do, it will execute this one. If it is found, it will execute successfully. If it is not found, if you having any exception, it will generate stack free. Okay, you can write a e dot get message also you can print. It will automatically print in console. Okay, we have loaded the properties file with the help of file input stream and created property object. From this property object I have loaded the file and which is under file input stream. Okay, now the property is loaded. Okay, let's write our script. Driver dot get. First of all, we need to get the class, right? String. Okay, here what you have to do. So what are the property I am using? This one, right? Just paste here. Property dot. This is having different methods. Properties. Get property. See, properties. Only these two we can use. Property. Just you need to enter key. What are the key? This is the keys. Key. This is one more key. This is one more key. So copy this key. Okay, and paste here. Okay, now next we have loaded open software testing block spot. Now click on, no, we need to maximize the window. So in this one you need to use driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. It will maximize. Okay, now click on manual testing menu. Okay, just use driver dot find element by dot xpath expression. Just what you have to do, property, this one, property dot get property which is under string key. Okay, just you need to enter what is the key, manual testing. This is the key, just provide here dot click and we need to wait, right? Dot manage dot timeout dot implicit wait 20 seconds time unit dot second. It will wait 20 seconds if object is not found. If it is found, immediately it will go to the next step. Next we need to click on what is the link, QTP tutorial. Click on QTP tutorials. Okay, just get the data from find element by xpath. Okay, property dot get property. So what is the key? Identify the key, QTP tutorials. Just enter dot click to provide time. Just separate this one. Next, just click on Selenium Tutorials. Just copy, click on Selenium Tutorials. Okay, just driver dot find element by xpath property dot get property. So what is the key? Tutorials dot click, it will wait for loading. For loading only I am giving. So these are three I have given, so remaining you can use. Just click on this one, copy. So what it will do, it will click on load runner tutorials. Load runner tutorial, just paste here load runner tutorial. This is simple, right? Instead of writing, we are hiding our objects which is under application under test, just giving this simple sentence. If it is easy to understand, right? Just now let's write for identification. Just right here, and this is a Qtp. This is a Selenium. This is a load runner. Okay, if you run this one, see, run as test engine test. If you run this one, it will run. See, everything it will display here console. You can see here, it will open Firefox and enter the URL which is from the base URL from the OR properties. It will maximize. Then it will click on manual testing. See, manual testing. Then it will click on Qtp tutorial. Then it will click on Selenium tutorials, and it will click on load runner tutorials. Okay, everything is clicked, right? See, now see here, clicked on manual testing menu, clicked on Qtp testing, click on Selenium testing, load runner testing. Okay, open browser is which is the past. See, you can see from here, open browser is one. See, past one test is passed, which is a test. I'm taking test annotation which count as a one. Open browser, that is a method name. Okay, like this you can give number of you can write down here, and you can read that too in this file simply with the user property. Okay, using a file input stream, creating object properties, creating object from this object, loading those file input stream file, and calling with the help of property object dot get property method, which is the key values from taking from this key values from object dot properties file. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more videos. Okay, please provide your comment as well as suggestions on these videos, and please share my video so that most of the people will learn quickly, and I'm giving with real-time examples. You can use this example in your project completely. Yeah, thank you for watching my video.